The variables x and y are in inverse proportion. We want to use this to complete the table below. If the variables x and y are in inverse proportion, then y is equal to some constant divided by x. If we look at the table here, we have values for both x and y, which we can use to find the constant. Substituting in, 64 is equal to k divided by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2 gives us 128 is equal to k. So the formula is y is equal to 128 divided by x. So when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 128 divided by 1, which is 128. When x is equal to 6, y is equal to 128 divided by 6, which gives us 21.3 recurring. When x is equal to 25, y is equal to 128 divided by 25, which is equal to 5.12. We now have that y is 16. Substituting this in to the formula gives 16 is equal to 128 over x. Rearranging, x is equal to 128 over 16. Calculating this gives 8. Finally, we have that y is equal to 20. So 20 is equal to 128 over x. Rearranging, we have x is equal to 128 divided by 20. This gives us 6.4.